Good morning, all my crafty followers. First of all, I want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. I'm so excited. Yay! So this video is going to be my design team announcement for March. This is for Junk With Steph. I will link her down below so that you guys can find her and this digi. Oh my goodness! We got to pick which one we wanted to work with this month, and I picked her bird box, and it is exquisite. Oh my gosh, I love birds and I love nature, and this is so beautiful, guys. Listen, I've got to show you this. So we are up close and personal right now, so I hope you guys can see all these details. So I did double-sided, so I'll go through. Now they're not in order, they're random right now. But yeah, so I'm just going to show these to you really fast. So we have fronts and backs. So much detail. So much detail. I love these little watercolor birds here. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Oh my gosh, looky. Can you see that? So beautiful. And then of course some of them have lines on the back of them, which is also very cool for writing. Just beautiful. All the different tones in it, the different blues, the golds, the browns. I mean, you know, the black, I mean, it is just so pretty. Oh my gosh, it blows me away. I am really super excited about it. I can't wait to get started on it. I've got something really special in store. And look at that. Right? Is that not gorgeous? Look at that. Just gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Just stunning. And then we've got some other things here. This is an envelope. And I have backed them on so that way when I fold the envelope, the flap on the top and what you can see a little bit on the inside has that backing on it, so I don't have to double back it. I've done them all that way. And then here we have some phrases this book belongs to, little tag. This here is super cute. It's like a ripped page. Oh, it's gonna come in really, really handy. Then we have a little playing card, and I've also backed that. Here's another envelope. Of course, back that one also. The rest of these are also backed onto cardstock or onto backgrounds. So I won't show you the backs, I'll just show you the fronts. These here are journaling cards. God, love the details and the little laces and the reds and the blues and the white and the browns. It just, oh, it's so gorgeous, guys. It's just gorgeous. Look at those little cards. Yeah. It says, the bird who dares to fall is the bird that learns to fly. Ah, right? Isn't that great? Isn't that saying great? There's that one. And then we have some tags here, also beautiful. These are bigger tags. And then we have some more journaling cards here, which are my favorite birds of the whole pack, which is so great that these are on individual cards because I just love them so much. And here are some bigger. Now you can use these. I printed these out on cardstock, thicker cardstock. You can use these as pockets. You can use them as little flip outs. You can use them as flip ups. You can use them as covers to little mini journal. You can use them as journaling cards. You can even trim the sides to make them big tags. I mean, you know, these two here, you could do so much with them. And they're like on, they're on lined paper, and then you have the stamping, and then the image, and then some stars and filigrees and stuff. It is so beautiful, guys. So, so beautiful. I can't wait to get started on this. And so for this design team project, what I'm going to do is a little series, and I'll be talking through it. Be like little short videos and stuff. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and get everything ready, cut, put together, and I'll show you how I'm going to make the journal for this. And so that's going to be interesting, but I'll give you not a sneak peek, but I'll give you a hint. If you remember the apocalypse journal that I made, and trying to be unique and think differently, I want to take this and do the same thing, but maybe on a bird watcher's note, or someone who loves nature, something along those lines. So be on the lookout for those videos coming up in the next couple of days. But like I said, I'll try to keep them short and sweet, so that a way they can go through. This is for the whole month of March. So I will be doing videos on this. And I have a bunch of stuff laid out that I'm going to be working with. And I'm so super excited, guys. So, all right. That's going to be the end of this one. So I just wanted to show you guys this new beautiful kit. To go check out Steph. Go check out her kits. I know that there's a bunch of stuff going on with Etsy right now, which I won't get into, but you can still find her shop there. She is, still doing her digis. So make sure you go and grab this. It is so stunning. Absolutely stunning. So I will talk to you guys after a bit. See you in the next video. Stay blessed. Be creative. Bye-bye now.